You want waffle side?
Yeah, he wants them.
You want some yogurt?
Yeah.
Come on, sit down.
Hiya. 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 Yeah. Hiya. 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 Yes. 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 Hi. 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 Where's the remote?
All the way down.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, my bad, guys. I am finally on here. So let's get right up into it. So this is what I'm seeing right now is we do see some higher highs and higher lows being respected and rejected and completed right here. Now, I did see this. I took the sell here just because I've seen these rejections. I also did have a sell in it right here, thinking it would possibly come up, and I just wanted to take the trade here just in case. We got about a 40 pip stop loss. So the thing that I'm looking at was that we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher. Well, we're on the 5 minutes, so let's go to the 15-minute. This is a little bit clearer. A higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, possibly, right? Right here off the EMA. And what I'm looking for is for price to stay under this 1 hour R2S area right here, supply and demand area right here, where you can obviously see resistance and support on both ends, resistance, resistance, support, support, well, resistance, support, and you can see how it's kind of playing out right now. But we got about 7 minutes till open. So what I'm thinking is we can possibly see a small retrace back up into this area before it falls off and continues down here. It's a nice little 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, which is very possible, I think, in my opinion. But if it does respect and reject, we could see it climb up to the next level and start making its way up here to these lows, right? The support area. But it seems to be making its way down right now. The only thing I messed up is I had a really small position in here. I had a 0.03. So right now we're up about 25 pips right now. Well, I'm on. What do you need?
My scrubs on the couch. Sorry.
Burgundy? So yeah, it seems to be moving down pretty well right now. Yeah, this is the trade. This is what I'm seeing right here. We got clear rejections at these levels. So I like what I see. I wish I would have put in a little bit bigger of a position, but I'm not going to force anything. And if we take a small win today, we'll take a small win today. If I take this to completion, it would be about a $250 trade all the way to completion right here. And we risked about, what, $70? No, what's 38? I mean, we didn't see any drawdown. I think I saw about $15, $20 of drawdown, but it'd be about 3 times 40, about $128, close to it. So a nice little 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Let's see if it gives it to us though. It's still respecting the areas right here, so we'll see if price gives us what we want. You can see the clear rejection right there, got under there. Let me show you the 1 minute to show you what I was seeing when I got in. So when I got in, it was right about here. I had already just missed the rejection. You could see 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections. I was thinking we would possibly stay up here. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, we can see what price is going to give us right here. You can see it's kind of under the trend line, but also my trend line could be off, right? Like, let's look at the trend line the right way. Maybe it should be something like this, where it's still kind of under the trend line, or maybe even supposed to be something like this, right? Right there, which is very possible as well, and it's still respecting, right? So either of these are possible. So what I'm expecting right here at open is something like this. Break this low, hopefully. Use this as resistance and make its way down is the plan for me. So if we can have this happen right here, then we're in the game. Just a quick little in and out of the trade. We'll see what price gives us. But it does matter on how these candles finish right here. So you can see this 5 minutes kind of starting to break below right here, right? Still hasn't, but it's starting to break below. So we're up about $82 right now. You know, it's possible to buy right here, if I'm just being honest. I had a buy limit in that it just missed me by. And you can see it kind of making its way back up. So we'll see how this 5 minute finishes right before open. And then at 6:45, we do have news coming in. Let me see here. Oh wait, I thought today we did. Tomorrow. So never mind, we do not have any news today. It's going to be in for tomorrow. So see what price gives us at that point. I mean, look at the one thing I'm worried about if we get to this 15 minute right here is that we do have a break of structure. So for me, I think we could see there's a clear resistance right here, and we could see there's clear higher highs and higher lows being formed. Unless this low breaks this low, the buy is still valid, right? So buyers can still come into play. And as long as this low doesn't break this low, it could come all the way down here, back up there, we'd be in trouble, right? So it could still respect this area and bounce up. It has to break the low here. If it doesn't, then it's still in play for a buy. So we got to be mindful of that. 1 minute, still respecting, right? So what are you doing? What are you doing? You okay? Now you can see how it's kind of under right here. There's 8 seconds left. Still hasn't broken these lows, right? Or the support to resistance level here. So the way this 5 minute finishes is going to tell us a lot about what we want to see or not see. All this is gravy, but if it stops right here, it doesn't mean shit. It could still bounce up on us. So we'll see. You can see selling pressure is coming in. Let's see what happens here. I think truthfully this is supposed to be like this. Yeah, so 0.03, we're up about $88, $85 right now. All right, moment of truth right now. I think we could see a big push up. It didn't break the lows. I would honestly like to see it break these lows before. If it doesn't, there's a good chance it could just blow up on us right here. So let's see what it gives us right now. Whoa. Okay, it didn't break it, right? Now it's at a point, big push up, right? Will it use this as resistance? Okay, something like that. It has to use it as resistance before coming back. I mean, it doesn't have to right here, but if it came back up to this area again, I would probably put in a sell. So like close to 20 pips up. But it looks to be respecting and rejecting this area here. See if it can break it right now. It's not breaking it. See, that looks like a little bit too much, and I don't think it broke where I wanted it to break necessarily. Yeah, it didn't. So now this has got to hold up. So we're on the 5 minute right now. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. See, that's not going to cut it. You can see a huge engulfing candle, so the next one can stack up this way. Oh shit, or not. That was a big rejection, but it could still come up on us, right? Because there's still 50 seconds left on this 1 minute. So we would like to see it come down here. See if we get a shot right now to come down. It still hasn't broken this low. You can see this area, how much respect is being shown right here. All the way across, right? Can you take out your chupon? I don't know what you're saying. I know, but I want you to take out your chupon because I don't know what you're saying. So it didn't break the low. This worries me. Yeah? Abu. Abu. I like it. If it finishes this way, we're in business to at least continue down. You see a small little trend line being built though, right? We need this to break this little trend line right here. And it didn't. See that? So what I'm looking at, what it hasn't broken yet, is this right here. You can see there's a clear area of resistance to support right here. Now I have a bunch of these lines. You can see it, the purple, the red. And this one is just, it's not an EMA, but it's a support area that we need to break right here. If it doesn't, then it looks like it'll probably push up. I think buyers are coming in. Damn. Coming in hot. Damn. I think they're about to stop me out. Got a 0.03. That was a big push up. 1 minute. Boom. Stop me out. Well, I took 82. Oh, well, I actually had my stop loss a little low. $82 stop loss. Or $82 loss. I was up a bit, but yeah, something about the support level just didn't get hit. And usually I would move my stops to break even. Yeah, we hit about 47 pips. But you see how just that low, not breaking this low, gave cause for all the buyers to come in and push price back up and create that higher high. So it's back at this resistance level that it came up to right here, but I don't know if I would take a sell unless I see something clear. And it's already breaking these higher highs, right? Oh shit, son. But see, let's see if it uses this as support right here, because that's what it usually does. Once it breaks through, resistance, 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 respect. Now it broke through it. Now you can see it being used somewhat as support right here to continue back up to the upside. Damn, I should have kept my buy limit in there. I had a buy at 433, and that shit, I would have had about 15 pips of drawdown. It was like right here. For 10, we would have been up about 60 pips. So that was where I messed up right there. But you can see it's still respecting and rejecting this, but I think it's out of here now. Maybe it was supposed to be something like this little fake out breakout right here in the trend line. Respect this little support area right here. Boom. And push up. It was a nice trade that I had it down, but I just didn't execute. I didn't follow through. So break a structure here. Trend line with higher lows being formed. And you can see how price kind of just got up out of there right here. I think the next area of interest is possibly right here. We see how many levels of resistance that we've seen right here, how this is a ceiling. It's possible, but you just never know. And the way it's rejecting right now, 1 minute. All right. I put a little sell in, and this is a risky trade, but I'm only risking a little bit of pips, so it could just completely stay on top of this and push up, which is very possible, or it can use this area as resistance again and make its way down. Maybe possibly back to this trend line. Now the biggest thing is if it were going to break this low right here, and then you can see that there is resistance right here to support as well. Yeah, you see it's really got to stay under here, but it doesn't have to.
Where's my homework?
Oh yeah, fill that out, baby.
Fill that out. I think it's in the backpack. Bring it back.
I'm actually a little bit hot. Ooh, yeah. Now I'm looking at. That already stopped me out. I actually had it at 15 pips, but damn. All right, babe. I love you.
Love you. Okay, you too.
Down 150 on the day. I think I'm gonna call it right there because I'm fighting the trend. I don't want to keep fighting it. I mean, the next area was up here, but I'm going against the trend at this point, right? So even though I feel we had to break a structure right here, price has still got to retrace a little bit after what it's done yesterday into the Friday. So a break a structure right here to the upside. Even though it broke the trend line, it still respected the support area, and it didn't break the low. You can see that's pretty damn clear right here that this low did not break this low by a few pips right there. And that's all the buyers needed to go ahead and hop in this trade and push up to the upside. So I'm down 150 on the day. I'm happy I did smaller positions, because if you don't do smaller positions, you end up fucking your whole shit up. So my biggest thing was I took out my buy limit right here. I would have been up close to 100 pips, I believe. I would have hit 100 pips, I believe, and I probably would have taken it to this area here. So just that last $70 that I lost was a mistake right now. Just trying to catch a move down, but as long as our losses ain't too big, we're okay. Yeah, I need to get away because I'm in the sell mode right now, and once you're in sell mode, you start seeing clearly, unobjectively, the wrong side of things. So, I mean, it still could reject right here, but I'm not going to take any sells anymore. I'd just be looking for buys, and a possible area for a buy would be about right here, something like this. Oops. Oops. It could just push up from here too. Like here was the little support and push up like that. It's probably going to continue that, as you can see here. Thought maybe it'd come a little bit lower, but that's where it's at right there. So, I mean, for me, you could see the push up. The ADX is on point with the big push up. So, looks like both of these things are traveling up. I don't really like the NAS setup for a sell because I kind of knew right here that I guess it's the same exact thing, but we know it came a lot lower here on US30. NAS is getting to this area right here that where we took our sell from. So there's a possible area right here we see some type of resistance. So it's possible we see resistance there. US30. Delete that. Delete this. This is a clear support level right here. Boom. I'll leave that here because it's still valid. That though. Possible buy right here, but I mean, look at these rejections right here. So maybe my levels are off. Pretty clear. Careful. You okay? Whoa. Was not expecting that. Sheesh. See how it's getting some respect right here? Put a little small something right there. Then US30, this could be a possible buy right here. I do have a small sell on US30. Not a small sell. I have a sell on US30. No, oh, whoops. If it hits, it hits. Damn. There it goes. Let's see right here. I would like to take this a lot farther, maybe back down to here. And then stop loss is going to be about 15 pips. So we'll see if it gives us an opportunity to enter right here. Now it doesn't have to go down. It can stay up here and continue to push up. See what happens. Just pulled some profit right here on US30. I'm down about 80 bucks on the day. We'll see what we got going right here. All right, we're moving. All right, shit. Damn. Damn, son. Nas is still pushing up on us a little bit, but US30, I mean, that's a big drop. It broke structure now for sure. So I'm going to hold these trades right here that I have on Nas. I'm sorry, here on US30. And Nas looks like it could push up on us. Right? It's at about 12 pips right now into profit. Let's see what happens. Damn, US30 is still pretty much falling right now. I'm down $80 on the day. Yeah, it's pushing up back up to this area. It's about to hit my stop loss pretty shortly right now. US30 seems to be alright, but yeah, so it stopped me out at break even here. I'm out of this trade. US30 I'm still in. I believe it should continue down. If Nas shows some more, I'm going to leave this one alone. We're in profit quite a bit right now. So I think we should see a continuation down, and we can see the ADX kind of making its way that way. If this shows a bunch of respect right here, I might be interested in staying in it, but because it's still showing respect to the zone, right? Yeah, let me Nas, I think I'm gonna stay away from.
Excuse me, Daddy.
Yeah, baby.
Can you help me so I can write down my stuff?
Yeah, did you eat your whatchamacallit?
Yeah.
Get a yogurt too, please.
It changes colors. Okay. See the pencil?
What? That's pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like Nas is out of here, but US30 we're in business, so let's just stick to that. And you know what? I'm probably gonna take my profit right here actually, because you can see the rejections. You can see how price is continuing to reject that area.
Thank you, Daddy.
So this was our TP anyway. So let's just take profit at this level. Um, we're down $83 on the day. Let's see. It looks like it can continue down a little bit more. Let me get up to the 15-minute. We know this area is very strong right here. So I think we got a few more pips in us. I'm gonna close some profit right there. If it doesn't break this low right here, then I'm gonna get out right here as well. All right, if it doesn't break this daily, then we're gonna we're gonna get out.
You want a sticker? Yeah. Here you go.
Yeah, it's not breaking it, right? So I'm gonna take some profit right now.
You want the sticker?
108.
Here you go.
So, oh, it might break it. So I'm at 179 for the day. We got 111 $1 pip floating. Just to see if it's gonna break this right here. If it doesn't break it, then we know that we gotta get out. But it's moving.
You put a sticker on my shoe.
Oh shit, where at? It's about right. So at about 114, you know what? I'm gonna take that shit and get on with my day. All right, will it continue? Is it gonna continue? Another rejection, right? I kind of want to hold it for 120, but I think I'm gonna close it. I just closed it. I might have fucked up, but it's all right. Put us at 292 on the day. Shit, we secured some profits. Nas is way up above this area now. Whoa, but it's at the resistance. We could see what's happened here. I put in a sell right now on Nas. And the only reason I did that is because I know that this risk right here is very, very minimal. Right? So the risk we have here is going to be just under 25 pips. 25 pips. That's what we got right here. 25 pips. So let's see what happens. Now it could just continue to push up. It's very possible. I don't know what would be driving it right now to push it up, but we're at the top of resistance, so hopefully at this point we can see at least a push down to this area and a possible break below it, or it just continues to push up on us. So let's see what price gives us right now. See what happens. Does this hold up or does it break back up? Looks to be pushing and breaking through this, right? So when I look at this, I look at the 4-hour, and we can see how overbought price is right here. Let's go to the daily. Sorry, I'm just drawing out these lines real quick. We can see price is pushing down on. Sorry, I haven't been telling you guys, but price is pushing down. We're in profit right now at this point. I'm just drawing out these daily levels because they are clearly possible to get hit right now. So we're in profit just a little bit right now. Few pips. You can see how price is kind of respecting and rejecting this area. Get to the 5-minute. Okay, you can see that rejection there. It has to break through here though. We're only up about 10 pips. Let's see what price gives us right now. Bit of a push up right there. See what it gives us right here. US30 is still sinking, it looks like. Damn. So we could have held on and caught an extra 80 pips. That's my fault. It looked like it too, but I just didn't know with the support area right here if it was going to continue to push down. But now it can definitely continue to push down from this area. And you know what I kind of see right here is this. I had this trend line drawn out last week. Look at that. Rejection, fall. Pretty good. It's just about right there. I'm up about 3 pips right now. That's about right. 4 pips. Oh, now we're down 1 pip. Yeah, it looks like it could push up on us here. Still holding up. Damn, US30 still falling. Zoe, did you fill out your paperwork? All right, fill it out because we got to get ready pretty darn soon.
But Dad, guess what?
Chicken butt.
I already brushed my teeth, so all we have to do after then is get me dressed and then do my hair, and then we can go.
Get dressed, do your hair, and then we could go. Okay.
But Daddy, can we go there early again?
Now we gotta hurry up.
When do I need to be there?
If you want to get there,
Early? I want to have 30 minutes.
we're gonna leave here in 25 minutes.
Can you remember that, please?
Okay, go. You already brushed your teeth and washed your face?
Remember that.
Bless you. Bless you. You're scared, bro.
Use a razor.
All right, let's see if we can get it going. I just added a position right now, and we'll see if it comes down for us. Turn it down, Zoe. Way lower. Why did you turn it up? All right, let's see. Okay. I'd hate for it to come up right there, but it's possible. I mean, US30 is still dropping. NAS is hopefully on its way down. Not sure what's holding it up. I like bringing it up. Yeah, this is the moment of truth right here, and it doesn't look to be breaking. This little area that you can clearly see as a resistance to support is holding up. We want to get back under here, under the ILC, so it can use this as resistance now and take that down to the downside. Trying to hold this for at least another 15 pips on my bottom position, but it doesn't look like I'll get that. We're only up 7 pips on my bottom position, so 8 pips. It's holding up right here, right on this area. Let's see if we can get out. It's under the EMA, so hopefully it can break the low right here. But if it doesn't, then we know that this area is strong and it can just continue to create the next higher high. See if it can break it. Ooh, big rejection right off the EMA. Really big rejection off the EMA. As soon as it topped it, fucking 12 pips right there. Was gonna take profit right there, but I didn't. See if it can come back down for us. Break through. It looks like it should continue down. We need to live.
No, we need to. How do you spell leave? Oh,
Oh,
I got it. Okay.
I just pulled some profit right now. Stops to break even. We're up about close to 50 pips now. And I'm gonna need to go pretty soon, but let's fucking go. So the big thing for me is seeing if we could take it down to this area here. Whoa. It's right at that resistance area, right at the 15-minute 50 EMA. You can see the rejection it gave almost instantly. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some more profit right here. Boom. Now all I have is a 0.02 runner. Fucking go, man. Let's go. I'll take that. So stops are at break even. What's up? What are you doing? What are you doing? But I think it's time for me to get off. 7:09. Kids are getting restless. Call live. We're still in this one right now. Got the runner going. I took most of my profits out at this point, and so took a small loss, basically a break-even trade on NAS and on US30. I messed up because I left all of this on the table right here. Holy shit, son. But I was able to catch 100 pips here, and yeah, I think overall it was a good day. All of these trades were called live. So if you want to check the replay, go ahead and check the replay. Whoever tuned in, hopefully you made some money and got off. But let's go, man. Live. We're still in this one right now. Got the runner going. I took most of my profits out at this point. And so Took a small loss, basically a break from the trade. Nas and on US30, I messed up because I actually bought this on the table right here. Holy shit, son. I was able to catch 100 pips here. And yeah, I think overall it was a good day. All of these trades were called live. So if you want to check the replay, go ahead and check the replay. Whoever tuned in, obviously you made some money and got off. But let's go. Call live.
I love Mary Osborne, the one who wrote the books. And look at I did not look at I just I didn't even look at the book to spell her
Peace
name.
out, guys. Thanks for tuning in with me. All right, let's get to it. Let's get you out of here.
Okay.